Let's understand the weighted routing method in Traffic Manager profiles. At times you may have multiple endpoints. Let's say you got a website called Test A and another web application in region B. In this scenario, you may want to use weighted routing for multiple reasons. The reason one is, let's say if you would like to equally distribute the load between these two web applications. Another reason may be if you would like to gradually increase the traffic over time. So initially you may want to say that, okay, I'm going to distribute the load between these two on 50-50 basis. And that means that traffic between these two web applications will be distributed equally. But let's say in this example, you got three web applications. The one that is hosted in region A, another one in region B, and a third application which is Test A. Now, if you are testing or bringing a new endpoint online, you may want to gradually increase the traffic over time to the new website. So that way it is not a big bang deployment, and the customers will also not be bombarded with new features of your applications. So weighted traffic routing method allows you to distribute the traffic evenly or based on the number that you define. That number would be considered as weight on that application. In weighted traffic routing method, you assign a weight, which is nothing but a number, and that number is assigned to each endpoint in the Traffic Manager profile configuration. The weight is an integer like we just said, and it ranges from 1 to 1000. Now this parameter is optional, but if you ignore this value, then Traffic Manager uses a default weight of 1. The higher the weight, the higher the priority. Using the same weight across all endpoints will result in an even traffic distribution. Using higher or lower weights on specific endpoints causes those endpoints to be returned more or less frequently in the DNS responses. So weighted routing method is a method where you would like to prefer one endpoint over another endpoint, depending on how much load would you like to send to that particular endpoint.